With context-aware fraud detection, what you can do is look for particular pieces of data or metadata that's going to be passed in that you know is required for the given event. And that way you can apply more scrutiny or more validation against those pieces of data that you know to expect. So, for example, a lot of times fraud or spam exists at registration. You have a lot of fake accounts that are signing up for an application. So in that scenario, you know if your app requires an email to log in, you can apply more scrutiny to the email addresses that are signing up as one simple method to cut out some of the spam registrations, to cut down on some of these fake accounts. So let's see what that looks like. If I come over here to my sign up page in this simulation app called Piggy Bank, I'm going to create an account. In this one, I'm going to create a Gmail account. So I'm brian@gmail.com, password, set one here, and I'll try to sign up. And in this scenario, the sign up works perfectly. No issues. I was able to log in. And you can see that our security solution, when I attempted the login, I was allowed to log in. There was nothing suspicious detected. Now let's see what happens if I log out and I try another sign up. This time I'm going to use a disposable email domain. Now I know from previous experience that a popular disposable email domain was amail.com. So let's see what happens if I try signing up with brian@amail.com. This time it's using a disposable email domain, and our security solution is configured to look for disposable email domains and apply friction in those scenarios. So I'll go to try to sign up. I'm signing up from the same exact device, same exact environment, just with a disposable email domain. And you can see this time I'm presented with more friction. See, the security solution returned a challenge prompt, which is what enabled this application to issue a challenge captcha. Alternatively, we could have just denied the attempt outright if we want to be even more aggressive. But that's a simple example where, because we are aware of the context of the application, we know that this is a sign-up flow, and we know that during the sign-up flow an email address is required. We can apply scrutiny to that particular piece of data. And it's just one other tool in our toolkit of preventing abuse, preventing fraud.